Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another DAISO haul for you guys. Those of you who don't know what a DAISO is, it is basically a Japanese dollar store where all the items are priced between 1000 to 5000 Korean won. And in this DAISO haul, I have mainly bought the stationery items. As you all know, I love stationery. And the items are basically of cherry blossom and some peach collection and also some Korean traditional items. And I've done the pen swatches as well. So without further ado, let's get started with this DAISO haul. Now the first item I got is this flower post-its. It's basically mainly decorative piece. And it's pretty, so I got this. Then this is a cherry blossom collection water bottle. It is only 3000 Korean won and look at the color pink. It's so adorable and the quality is very good, I must say. Now the next thing is of peach collection. It is a magnetic post-it and it is very cheap. You get 120 post-its for just 1000 won, and it's a lovely color, orange, not orange, peach kind of a color. So, and this one is mini journals. You get 3 for 1000 Korean won, and these are mainly fruit design, and the best part is these notebooks are blank, so these are very good for your journaling. And this one is also peach collection. Look at the holographic design, so pretty. The design is kind of a unique, guys, don't you think? It has a closure, but not a little different closure, and the pages are ruled like light color, greenish ruled design. And this one is grid paper. So as you all know, I love making my own planners, that is for bullet journaling. So I've got these papers, so stay tuned for a new DIY video. And these are some cute pens. One is from Disney's Marie and the second one is from the Zootopia. I think they are so cute. And the best part is there are two colors, one black ink and there is another one which is red. Now let me show you how it works on paper. Now the cute thing is you just have to tap one ear and it will help you in writing. Just see. I think it writes very well. Usually I don't use ballpoint pens, but these are so cute, so I could not resist. And these glides like butter. The designs are so pretty and cute. Now this is a sketchbook. Now I finished my last sketchbook, so I got a new one and a mini one. And this one is a waterproof bathroom clock. I always get late. This is a must in my bathroom. And it's waterproof. So a thumbs up for this product. And it's for 3,000 Korean won. So it's pretty cheap. Next thing is this cute flamingo gift bag. And the price is 500 won. Can you imagine? But I've bought this for a new DIY. So stay tuned for a new DIY video. Now the next thing is this cute felt stickers. You get 2 sheets. Same design, but these are so cute. These are some planner stickers. Now these days planner stickers are so expensive, so I found this very useful in my planners. And you get 2 sheets. These are some Korean traditional stickers. You get 3 sheets in a pack. And these are the designs. Now these are the names of the items which are shown and given in the stickers. So this is a very good concept, I must say. Now the next thing is this magnetic book clip, and you get 12 pieces for just 1,000 Korean won. And this one is the Kidman characters eraser set, and you get 6 pieces for 1,000 Korean won. I think it's a very good deal. Now the next thing are these pens, and these pens I've got before also, but I am just restocking it because the colors are so cute and I've already used so much in my bullet journals these days. And these are some calligraphy brush pens, and you get 2 pieces. And these are marker pens. So let me show you these Korean traditional pencils. You get 2 pieces for just 1,000 Korean won, and these are the traditional Korean characters. So these are some more pens. These are Hello Bear pens, and this one is from the character Stitch from Lilo's and Stitch cartoon. Now this pen has 3 colors, one green, blue and black. No, sorry, green, red and blue. And this one is also from the Pico. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this pen also has 3 colors, that is red, blue and green, and the color is so pretty. Now let me show you how these writes on paper. Now I'm not such a fan of the ink, but it's cute, so it's okay. Now these twin brush pens, let me show you how it writes. I'll be swatching as well. So this color is so soothing. I love it. thumbs up for this product. Next thing are these highlighters. Now some more highlighters. These are a lighter shade. I just love this color, so pretty. I think the last three colors are my best colors. Now let me take out these. Underline markers are quite good. Wow, I'm really impressed by this color. So a big thumbs up. And these are the calligraphy pens. I think for the price I am paying, it's quite decent. Hope you like this haul video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Till then, bye!